How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So here is how to do so. It works for both iPhone and Android. So let's get started. First of all, find the YouTube app on your mobile device and simply tap on it, and also make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. Now, once inside the YouTube, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once you are inside the profile section, all you have to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings. Again, inside the settings, you will get to see general option of level. Simply tap on it. Now, once inside the general, scroll down and find the restricted mode, and if it is toggled on, then simply toggle it off. Restricted mode off means you can now view content that might be flagged as mature or filtered out by default. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.